In this video, I'll show you how to edit your body shape on Snapseed. Now, it's an extremely easy process. Firstly, open the application. Then, just tap on the screen over here and drag in your photo. And after you have added your photo, firstly, just tap on the Tools option. And then give on the Expand option first, so you can add or adjust the photo a little better. So just now you try to remove this panel right over here, as you can see. This will extend the middle by little to add some extra pixels at the side, as you can see right over here. Do this on all 3 sides or 4 sides, depending on the photo. Now, once you have enough space, just simply click on that tick option at the very bottom. Now you will find few issues with the image, as you can see right over here on the left hand side. To fix that, what you have to do is go to the Tools option, then pick the Healing option. Now zoom into the location where you have the issue, like this. And then slightly remove the issue. That will try to fill up the space, as you can see right over here. Just simply remove everything like this. Once you're done with the editing part, just simply click on this check option at the very bottom. And now you have an expanded photo. Now, once you have an expanded photo, you can move around a little bit. So firstly, give out the Tools option, and then in the Tools section, just simply click on Perspective. Now, when you will be in the Perspective option, you would have 4 options: 8, rotate, scale, and flee. Now, you can tilt and use all the different settings below to rotate your photo, scale your photo, rotate your photo, and increase or decrease the size of your photo. Let's say, for example, if I want to tilt the photo a little bit, or if we just simply move around with the arrow options, like this, and the photo and the background will automatically regenerate. As you can see, there are some black spots. Once it is done, the photo is automatically regenerated. And once you're okay with this, click on the option which you selected below, which is a tilt option. Then choose a different option if you want to. Let's say, for example, scale. Now, you can just simply scale the image, as you can see right over here. Even increase or decrease the size, like this. And then if you want to increase the size in all direction, choose the free option. This way you will be able to move the photo in all directions, as you can see right over here. Like this. So, as you can see, the photo has become not olive. Now, there are some minor adjustments that you have to do manually. As you can see, this is how it looks afterwards. So there may be some minor adjustments that you might have to do with yourself, but once you're done, all your photo is simply on the export option at the very bottom, and then click on Save. And then it will take all the settings and render the image. And once the image is rendered, it will look something like this. For example, this is the before, and this is the after. You can see the difference. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.